guys, welcome back to the MCC channel. On this episode, we're gonna show you how to prep a brand new bumper right from the bottom. So we got here a 2015 Toyota Corolla front bumper. I got a rear bumper for it too. This one is already prepped, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna show you how to prep a brand new bumper. Nice, easy, and simple. Just probably take 5 minutes to prep it. So the way I do it, I prefer to use a red scuff pad. Red scuff pad, and that's all we're gonna use. Red scuff pad, dry sand it, and get it ready for paint. So let's go. So, in this particular bumper, you're gonna notice right away when you start sanding with your scuff pad, totally the primer that this company put on this bumper is just gonna go away. You're gonna see the difference right away. And this is all you need to do to prep the bumper. So you can see in this area, not sanded already. Not sanded already. So let's go ahead and get this bumper ready for paint. There you go. There you have it. Bumper is ready for paint. Sole scuff. Nicely even. Okay, so we got this already cleaned up. Wax and grease remover on it. No dirt, no oil, no grease, no sweating on it, because it's hot out here. Florida weather is crazy. So it's ready to paint. Show you next step. So for this particular painting job, we're gonna be using this Bulldog brand Haitian promoter. You can get it on a spray can, or you can get it like quartz like this and just spray it with your gun. The only difference is this one, it will last you a little longer, and this particular one is tintable. So you can use it as an addition promoter and at the same time use like a ground coat or something to cover the best with your paint or your base coat. This one is a little bit cheaper, but it won't last that long. It go by quick, and this one is not tintable. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use this one real quick because it's just two little bumpers. So let's go. Okay, so we got this already done. We spray it nice and even. Every single area is covered. Why you should use an adhesion promoter? It's gonna make your paint bond to the plastic. If you don't use it, your paint won't bond to the plastic, and probably in a couple weeks, a couple months, your bumper is just gonna start peeling off. All the paint is gonna come off. So this is essential when you're gonna paint brand new parts like plastic bumpers and stuff like that. It's not just for bumpers. Anything that is plastic or non-metal, it will work great. Sometimes I even use it like a brand new fenders and stuff like that when I scuff it, because it will give me a little bit more bonding to the part. So I'm gonna give it like 5-10 minutes flash time, and by that time I'm just gonna prep the paint, get it ready for paint, and get it done out of here. Okay guys, so I just want to show you, this is the clear I use from the Wonder brand. It's an 8100 2K clear. It's a 4-to-1 clear. The 3093 is the hardener, which will be the faster one. And I just gonna show you real quick how I mix this clear. So as you can see, right on the bottom is the ratio. Let's get it focused. 4-to-1. You got 4-to-1, and you got the option for a 10 or 20% of reducer, but this particular clear we don't need reducer, so we're just gonna go ahead. So how it works, first part over here, we're just gonna go fill it up with our clear all the way to the 4, and then from here to the next 4 we're gonna put our activator, so that way it dries. That's gonna be our 4-to-1 ratio. If you're gonna use another clear, then you're gonna need to be able to figure it out, the brand of what clear you're using, so that way you know exactly what's the ratio of it. And we're gonna do a 4 and a 1. So that's 4 parts of clear for a 1 part of activator. So we got 4 parts of clear, and now we're gonna go all the way to the next 4 with an activator. And there we go. Now we're just gonna stir it. Make sure it's mixed properly. Put a cap on. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Put a secure lid on. Nice and tight. And we are ready for clear. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up. This is gonna be the end of the video. You're gonna flip camera so you can see the end result with 2 coats of clear, and this thing is looking great. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, ring the bell, and share it. Thank you. God bless.